Kentucky and western portions of Tennessee. Now it's spreading into middle Tennessee and will continue to do so through the rest of the evening and overnight tonight. We're talking several inches of snow, so we want to get you prepared for what is on the way. Our first alert weather day does actually extend not only for tonight, but through tomorrow as the snow continues to fall, and we will continue to keep first alert weather days in our forecast because we're looking for some very cold air. Widespread travel impacts are expected in the morning and continuing for at least Thursday because of the extremely cold air not allowing for much melting at all. Here's a look at what we're seeing on our radar and satellite together. You can see the bright white representing the snow, and then the duller white, that is what we're looking at for cloud cover as all this moves in across middle Tennessee. So we're getting those clouds covering up most everybody. They will continue to fill in. And here's what it looks like on our first alert live radar. This radar actually coming out of Hopkinsville, which shows that snow in Franklin, in the Clarksville area, and continuing to move eastward. Winter weather alerts remain in effect through morning. North of I-40 in the pink, and in the purple south of I-40 is a winter weather advisory. In the pink shaded area where the warning is in effect, that's the area where we expect to see the greatest amounts of accumulation, which is going to mean some issues on the road. And you can see the road impacts are going to be moderate for the interstates and much higher for the overpasses. Main roads moderate and high for those back roads, which doesn't surprise anyone. There's already some schools that have closed, so make sure that you are checking our latest snowbird report, and you can find that on our WSMV4 app, and also it's on our website. That's Hopkinsville tonight. Look at that coating of snow already down there. And looking into the lights, we've still got a little bit of snow falling across that area. Out at Nashville International, it is 31 degrees. It's also breezy, making it feel even colder across the area. Here's that snow continuing to spread all the way through the mid-state. This is midnight tonight along the plateau, and then continuing right through the morning. 25 degrees to start things off. As we go into the afternoon, only 29. The snow will be gone at that point, and we will look for our temperatures to continue to fall to the teens by morning. 15 degrees at 7 a.m. and right there around 3, 24 degrees. How much snow are we expecting? 2 to 4 inches is what we're going with from Waverly through Nashville up to Jamestown. And the higher elevations, or I should say the higher totals, will be across parts of southern Kentucky and that northwest corner of middle Tennessee, where we could see 4 to 6 inches, and the lower amounts 1 to 2 right there across the southern section of the mid-state. Following that, a cold weather advisory is in effect. It goes into effect at midnight on Thursday and continues through noon Thursday with these falling temperatures. If you're out and about this evening, just know that snow is going to be moving across the area. I know some of you may be thinking, uh-oh, don't have any bread, milk. I've got to go to the store for some eggs. Well, good luck with that. So many people have already done that, but hopefully you can get what you need and get back home safely. That snow will fall all the way through the night and then start to taper off tomorrow with just a cloudy and cold day left behind. Our first alert forecast for the next 7 days, we are carrying that first alert weather day for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Temperatures will be in the 20s on Wednesday and Thursday. Morning low on Thursday at 13, 8 for Friday. We'll continue to nudge up to the 30s during the afternoon. Starting out cold on Saturday, but it does get better in the afternoon. Chance of a sprinkle out there. 49 for Sunday, 59 whopping degrees on Monday, a lot better there, and 62 on Tuesday. That is a look at our 7-day forecast. I actually, though, have an invitation for you as our weather team is going to be out and about this weekend, and we would love to meet you on Saturday. We are going to be at what's affectionately called SWAD, which is Severe Weather Awareness Day. That's coming up this Saturday from 9 until 4 o'clock at Trevecca University. Stefano DiPietro, Dan Thomas, Melanie Layden, and I will be out there to say hello to you. We'll be signing autographs if you want that. And also, I've got my children's book, How Do Meteorologists Predict the Future, that I'll have available, and I can sign you a copy of that as well. There are a lot of freebies out there too at Severe Weather Awareness Day, plus you just learn a lot. They have different little seminars that are going on. Take a look at some of the storm systems that we've had this year and basically learn what to do during a storm. And we'll have local media folks will be there for a panel discussion. You can ask us questions, but that is coming up this Saturday. We hope you'll join us. But we'll leave you tonight with another look at our 7-day forecast and an invitation to join me tonight on WSMV4 for the latest on this snow. And we will have that streaming as well. Have a great night.